Hello there, foreign beauties. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to talk about my voice. If you are a teenager, usually acne happens more so in teenage years, or if you're an adult who experiences acne like myself, where do you begin? I think that is a very important question that a lot of people overlook is, I have acne, where do I start? And a lot of times people jump into products, they jump into wanting that solution right away, but there is a key step that people overlook, and I'm going to tell you what it is. If you are new here, hello, my name is Euniycemari, and we talk about all things skincare, acne skincare specifically. We also do get ready with me, product reviews, all of that. So take a moment and join the Informed Beauty gang, as well as if you like the content that I create, if you like the information that I give you guys, take a moment and like this video. So you have acne, and you want to know where it is you should begin. The first thing you should look at is the cause. If you don't get to the cause of your acne, you will not be able to come to a cure, or you will not be able to stop the breakouts or lessen the breakouts. If you are overlooking the cause of your acne, you will, time and time, it doesn't matter what skincare routine you use, what products you use, you will always be disappointed because you're not getting to the core, the cause of what is causing your acne. There are a lot of different things that can cause acne. It can be hormonal, it can be something that you're eating, it could be stress, it can be a medication that you're taking, it can be so many different factors. And so you have to sit down and you have to go, okay, I'm breaking out. What is going on in my life right now? Am I stressed out? Have I started a new medication? Am I pregnant? Like, are there things that are just causing my skin, my body, because it's all coming from within, to have a switch up, you know? I say this in my videos a lot, and I'm gonna say it again. I always suggest, if you don't know the cause of your acne, go to a doctor, have them run some blood tests, look at a few things, and figure out what it is internally that is going on. If everything is all good and gravy, then maybe it is just the fact that you're stressing a little bit, or maybe you're taking some type of medicine or something that is not working with you. But you have to always look at what is going on the inside before you can come to an agreement or come to a conclusion of what your action plan is. We overlook that a lot. A lot of people just want to, oh, I have acne, how can I get rid of it ASAP? How can I get rid of it quickly? And they try Proactive, they try acne medications, which usually do work, but I think that should be a very last resort. Acne medicines, they look at all these skincare products and all that, and they're doing what they need to do, and they're not seeing the results. And come to find out, they have a hormonal imbalance. Come to find out, they have some type of sensitivity to probably a food. Come to find out, they're having a reaction from a medication that they're possibly taking. There are so many factors that come into the cause of breakouts, acne, especially cystic acne on the face, all of that. So for anyone out there, teenager, adult, who is really looking for the answer of like, what should I do? It's your first time, or you've been dealing with acne for quite some time, I really say sit back and take a look at the cause of your acne. What is going on once again in your life? What are you consuming? What are you doing? Are you picking your face? Are you touching your face? Is it only during your menstrual cycle? Take all of that in consideration when you are coming up with an action plan on how to get rid of your acne. A lot of people have experienced acne breakouts from wearing the mask. We've had to wear masks for some time, and for a lot of people that was really hard because they end up having the maskne. Is that what they call it? Or mask acne, whatever, you know what I mean. But a lot of people ended up having to deal with that. What the key point of this video, and for the key point of those out there who are suffering from acne, is that you have to get to the core of it so that you can make a proper plan to deal with it. And I am all about informing you guys and making sure that your skincare works for you. I am not here to just tell you buy an acne system and throw it onto your face. No, that is not effective. For me, it is really getting down to the core of it, and then putting in your tools, putting in your serums and your face washes and your mask and things of that sort that are going to work for you, okay? Because at the end of the day, results is what you want to see. You don't want to waste your money on products and treatments and things that are just not going to work for you. That's a waste of your money and your time. So take that moment to really ask yourself why. And if you don't know why or what is causing your acne, go see a doctor. Go run some blood tests. Go see what's going on. And for me, and I'm going to be really honest, a lot of doctors may throw medicine at you in the first heat of it. They may just go, oh, I can prescribe you some medicine for your acne, which I always say is the last. Like if you have really cystic acne, then you may have to go on medicine, but that is like the last option, I feel. But a lot of doctors will offer that up to you first. But I always say, go and make sure that everything internally is good to go, that you don't have any allergies, that you don't have any imbalances. I don't want to like, you know, continue to beat this into you guys' head, because I think you get the point at this point in this video. But I just really want to make it clear, you cannot get to a solution without the cause. Okay? And that goes for anything in life. When it comes to dieting, if you're not eating right, if you're not working out, if you cannot figure out what's causing you to overeat, then you're not going to be able to lose the weight. If you're not figuring out what's causing you not want to work out, you cannot lose the weight. So it just goes in hand with the rest of things of life. What is the cause of it? Get to that first, make the plan, and you will see the results in which you want to see when it comes to your skin. With that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.